This old guy DIY video has to do with finding and repairing a slow leak in an ATV tire. A hot chick that I know has this RZR 800. This left tire was low when she got it. I've inflated it a couple times and it keeps losing air. So my first suspicion was that it would probably be around the valve stem. So I made up some soapy water in this fancy container she gave me. And when I shoot soapy water on here, I don't see any bubbles. So the leak must be someplace else. So I'm about to take the wheel off. I have this tote I'm going to fill mostly with water. Then I'll submerge the tire and wheel assembly in there, find where the bubbles are, then determine what it is that has to be repaired. This part of the process reminds me of the movie Jaws. We're going to need a bigger tote. This doesn't make a lot of sense, but I've submerged the entire tire looking for air bubbles, and I'm not seeing any air bubbles at all. Yet I know over the past month it needed air. Since this tells me we don't have a gross leak anywhere, I'm going to just spin out that valve stem. I'm going to put about 8 ounces of slime in here, inflate it again, let her drive it around and see if whatever type of little pinhole is in this thing gets filled by that slime. If not, in a month or so I'll be back. I'm back at the house of a hot chick that I know today, checking on her RZR. This is the front tire that I had put the slime into about a week ago. It's holding air just fine, doing great. So we'll call this job a success. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I hope you have a great day.